Welcome back, everyone. Today's video, we're going to take a look at a 2013 Toyota Rav4. We're going to replace the front sway bar links, as these have already gone. The boots has broken, and then you can hand twist them, which you're not supposed to really do. They shouldn't be able to do that, but yeah, just follow along. All right, so we're going to, first get your wheel out of the way. You're going to jack up the vehicle. So this is the part in question, right? You have this 17 millimeter nut that you're going to have to remove. And then these, like I was mentioning, move fairly freely with just my hand. And then the boots are torn. So yeah, like I said, 17. All right, like I mentioned, 17. Get your impact and just zap them out. Okay. Same for the lower one. And then you notice how this whole bar kind of twisted, right? All you're going to want to do to help you get it out is pry the sway bar link, right, with something. All right. Come on, I can do this. Right? To be able to move your sway bar down enough so that you can be able to just remove it with your hand. As you can see, that has some play in it, but I'm gonna need two hands for this. So like I mentioned, I just have to find somewhere where you can pry the sway bar down, and then you'll be able to use your other hand to feed the other end of the sway bar link into the other slot that it needs to be. Now it's just a reverse order. This is what I was referencing earlier, of being able to move your sway bar. You should not be able to move it around this freely, right? Compared to the new one, is a lot harder to move, right? But what I like to do is screw in or put one of the sway bar links in, right? And then just go ahead and put in the nut, a few threads in there, so it holds it in place. While like I mentioned earlier, just go ahead and pry on this area right down, and then be able to put this into there easily. So that is it for today's video. I hope you find it helpful. Until next time, thank you guys.